Brent managed to settle above $45 per barrel. In the next two sessions, it may test the resistance of $46. The dollar-ruble pair is retreating from the levels reached yesterday. On Thursday, the ruble may try to test the mark of 72 against the US dollar. On Wednesday, Brent crude closed the trade adding 1.5%. As expected, global oil prices gained support from the industry data showing a considerable drop in oil output and crude stockpiles in the United States. The bullish sentiment is boosted by hopes for a further recovery in fuel demand after the lockdown has ended. Market participants also expect a spike in oil demand during this autumn when most educational institutions reopen. Today, oil continues to trade in positive territory, although there was a slight downward correction in the morning session. A moderate drop in prices could be caused by the OPEC monthly report, predicting that global oil demand will fall much more than previously forecasted. In the day session, Brent oil futures for October were up by 0.24% to trade at $45.54. Likewise, the American-grade WTI was moving higher to settle at $42.74. Unless any strong bearish factors emerge by the end of the week, Brent has good chances of hitting $46 per barrel. However, there is still a risk of a downtrend. On Saturday, the US and China will resume their trade talks. Markets hope for a positive outcome, but it's possible that negotiations may again end at a confrontation. This will lead to a high-risk aversion, so oil prices may reverse to the downside. Yesterday, the ruble didn't react to the positive background and dropped to the level of 74 against the US dollar. Yet, there are no serious drivers that can push the ruble above this mark. So, today the Russian currency is trying to win back its early losses. In the mid-trade, it gained 0.20% and settled around 73.56 against its American counterpart. Currently, the ruble benefits from the stable energy market. A further rise in oil prices may push the dollar-ruble pair even lower. Yet the pair may enter a flat channel amid the lack of any serious drivers. Trading in the range between 72 and 74 will be perfect for the ruble today. In the meantime, there is an international risk factor that can weigh on the ruble. The purchase of foreign currency may increase ahead of the payments to foreign holders of Gazprom depository receipts. Investors think that these cash flows caused a drop in the ruble yesterday, especially amid a thin market in summer. In the next 2 days, the ruble may come under more pressure if the dollar-ruble pair stays trading above 73.20. Starting next week, the ruble will be supported by the upcoming tax payment period in Russia, reaching its peak on August 25. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.